In this tutorial, we will learn how to schedule a meeting, and we will also learn how to reply to a meeting request. To start, click on New in the Standards bar. Click on Meeting Request. Now, to schedule a meeting, write the recipient name. Write the subject. Select the location. Select the start and end time. Click on Send to mail this meeting request. Now we will learn how to respond to a meeting request. To respond to a meeting request, go to your inbox. You can see the business meeting request. Open the message. To accept the business meeting request, click on Accept under the Respond group. To decline the meeting request, click on Decline. You can also propose a new time for the scheduled meeting. To accept the meeting request, click on Accept. This is how you can respond to a meeting request. To decline a meeting request, click on Decline under the Respond menu. To delete a meeting request, click on Delete under the Actions group. You can also move this meeting request to another folder by clicking here under the Actions group. To forward this as attachment, click on Forward as Attachment under the Actions group. You can also categorize this meeting request by clicking here under the Options group. You can flag a meeting request. We will learn how to manage meeting requests and how to print a calendar. To start, select the message containing the meeting request. You can also select the meeting request from the to-do bar. To cancel a meeting request, click on Cancel Meeting under the Actions group. To see the response of your meeting request, click on Tracking under the Show group. To add or remove people to this meeting request, click here. You can also send messages to the recipient by clicking here. You can set the reminder time under the Options group. You can also set the priority level of the meeting. You can also mark it as private meeting request. Now we will see how to edit a meeting in a calendar. For this, click on Calendar under the Actions group. This will open the calendar. You can see the details of the business meeting you have scheduled. You can edit a particular meeting request by selecting it, right click on it, click on Open. From here, you can change the details of the scheduled meeting. Now we will learn how to print a calendar. To print this calendar, go to File menu. Click on Print, or you can press Ctrl P on keyboard. You can change the print style. You can change the number of copies. You can select the print range. To see the print preview of your calendar, click here. Click on OK to print the calendar. We will learn how to create a task. We will also learn how to update and edit a task. To start, select Task on the navigation window. Click on New. Type the subject. Select the start and due date. You can also assign this task to a particular person. To assign this task, click on Assign Task under the Manage Task group. Write the recipient name in the box next to 2. Click on Send to send this task. You have successfully created and assigned this task. You can see the list of your created task in the task window. To see the list of all the tasks, select Task in the navigation window. Under the current view, click on Active Task. You can see the list of active tasks. Select Completed Task to see the list of all the completed tasks. Click on Simple List View. This will show the list of all the tasks. To change the display order of the tasks, click on Customize Current View. Customize View dialog box will open up. Click on Sort. Select the type by which you want to sort the items. Select the order. Click on OK. Click OK. This will change the display order of the task listed here. To mark a task as complete, click on To-Do list under the navigation window. To mark a particular task as complete, select the task and check the box. This is how you can mark a task as complete. We will learn how to create and edit a note. To start, go to File menu. Point to New. Click on Note. Suppose you want to create a note for completing your project work. Select the note, type the content, and then click on Close. To see the list of all the notes you have made, click on Notes in the navigation pane. This will show the list of all the notes you have created. You can also change the display order by selecting the current view under the navigation window. You can also customize the current view by clicking here. Click on Sort. Select the type by which you want to sort the items. Click on OK. Click OK. To edit notes, select the note and click Enter. You can also select a note by double-clicking on it. Now you can change the content of the selected note. This is how we can edit notes in Microsoft Outlook.